Hi there, students. Pidgin. Okay, Pidgin English. So notice it's spelt differently from the bird. Okay, Pidgin is a language which is two different languages mixed together, normally used as a lingua franca. It's used as a trade language between two groups of people who have no language in common. So they make up a language using their own languages, and Pidgin is normally made up of two, but it could be made up of more than two languages. Okay, so Pidgin English, or this is a language that is used for trade, but it doesn't have to be. You could speak. There could be Pidgin Portuguese, or it depends where you are. Let's see. They say that the origin of this word Pidgin comes from a Chinese pronunciation of business in the Far East in the first half of the 19th century. But there are other suggestions. For example, Pidgin in Hebrew, or Chinese pronunciation of the Portuguese word ocupação, the occupational business. So Pidgin, it's a language for communication between two groups who don't have any languages in common, and therefore they speak Pidgin. They invent a language. Normally Pidgin, it's got simplified grammar. It's got simplified words. There are often a lot of onomatopoeia in it. And it's a way for two groups of people to communicate or to do trade, although nobody has Pidgin as their first language, as their primary language. This is a language that is learned. And it's made up of words and sounds it could be from a multitude of different languages, as long as both sides understand what it is being meant. Okay, so it's a simplified form of speech. It's got rudimentary grammar and vocabulary for communication between two groups, so that they can trade. Pidgin English, Pidgin French. Okay, so the owner of the restaurant could only speak in Pidgin Portuguese. So Pidgin, it's a grammatically simplified language. Pidgin Dutch, for example, elements taken from local languages, and so that people can actually communicate. So formality, Pidgin. I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Just notice the spelling is different from the bird. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pidgin, Pidgin English, Pidgin French, Pidgin Spanish.